Hey guys, want to take time to take in the bathroom. The bathroom is on a place where you can play with your gadgets and these guys. And I just want to drop some nuggets for you about my new channel. My new channel, which is Cooking with Gadgets in the Kitchen, is releasing a new video today. And I wanted to just take you through the editing process right quick and show you exactly where you can get it. Okay, the first thing I want you guys to see is the channel. And there it is right here, Cooking with Gadgets in the Kitchen. So just go ahead and you can search for this in the YouTube search bar. I'm also going to leave a link in the description of this video. And so far guys, I have a couple of videos up here just showing you how technology can help you better in the kitchen. So once again, Cooking with Gadgets in the Kitchen. We got 38 subscribers. Hopefully after this video we can get those numbers up. Now, this is the process that I use whenever I'm creating a video. Go ahead. So what I do, I go ahead and I record it. After I record all of the different sections, I create a folder, and you can see how to fry chicken in the Bravo oven. And that's the video that I'm loading up right now. And I'm going to also leave a link to this video too. So after I have my collection of clips, you know, I film. Now usually people go ahead and they name each clip. Because I'm not shooting a movie or anything like that, and most of my videos are under 10 minutes, I don't go ahead and rename it. I can just remember it by sight, okay, using my memory. I create the folder, then I open up Adobe Premiere Pro, and I import all of my materials, my intro, my outro. I use OBS for my opening and my closing, and I already have my intro and outro preloaded. And I take those and I put them in my timeline. And what I begin to do, I begin to chop it up. So let's say if there's a scene that didn't come out right, I go ahead and I cut it out. And right here, I can also add graphics. So for example, you see subscribe right there. Now after I have the video just where I want it, I come right here and I hit export media. Okay, and then if I shot it in 4K, I just go ahead and I use the YouTube 4K Ultra HD, the highest settings that Adobe allow you to YouTube. And I save my project. After my project is exported, then I go ahead and I upload it. Okay, now there are several things that I have to do. You can see it right here, how to fry chicken. There's several things I have to do to get my video in a presentable manner. One of the things is, how can I get my description and get my tags in order? I use something called Morning Fame, and I'm going to leave a link to my affiliate. I don't get any money from it. It just takes a percentage off of my monthly fees. And I come and I choose a topic, and then I can optimize that topic. You can see I did it, how to fry chicken in the Bravo oven. Go ahead and load that up. And as I type out my description, it rates whether or not it's relevant. And then it's also giving some suggestions for tags, all right? So that's one step. The big step, guys, is presentation. So I come right here and I use software where I create my thumbnail. So I can import images from my computer. What I usually do to get a transparent image, I usually go to like Amazon or I go to Google, get an image. Then I open up Photoshop, and then I just cut that image out, right? And use the image, and I come right here to make it look presentable. So those are basic. Those are the basic. So that's the basic So that's the basic process of getting a video uploaded, guys. It's a lot of work. The editing alone can range anywhere from 20 minutes to a couple of hours to a couple of days, just depending on how many cuts you have to make. There's a lot of research involved in getting a proper description and proper tags. Morning Fame make it a little easier. And like I said, with the thumbnails, you really have to be careful what items you're getting, because you want to try to get high definition pictures so they can pop in your thumbnail. and you just be creative, which again, this can take anywhere from 10 minutes to a couple of hours to a couple of days. This right here took me about 20 minutes to do because I had previous templates of this. So there you have it, guys. Go ahead and check out the channel, Cooking with Gadgets in the Kitchen. Here's your boy taking a bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out the video that I'm uploading right now, guys. This Bravo oven is $1,300, and I think it do a good job. It's full of tech. It's full of tech. So go ahead and binge watch the videos. We don't have that many on the channel, and hopefully we can get this channel to the same status as Taking a Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.